What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, this is the first time I've had any chance to do anything. We have been parking, everybody. Guys, we got 4 rows of cars all the way as far down as you can see. It is packed here for Takeover. Got all the Dover shop cars out here. Of course, we got Foxcast. We've got Florida Performance out here selling nitrous refills, everything. But guys, we are loaded down with cars that are racing, cars that are just here for a show. And I'm gonna show you something. We're going to the gate. It is packed, guys. Huge. If you're not here, you should be. If you're not here this year, come next year.
I hope you can zoom on that.
I can't zoom on that. I got my other camera in the car.
You're gonna need to zoom.
All right, so I just told them that we are all, look guys, all packed.
Yeah, I just, before you did anything else, I just want
Holy,
yeah.
guys, are you seeing this?
Again, that's what we work for.
Like all the way,
That's what we work for. That's what
all the way
worth of
down there.
fucking working on.
Woo.
Taking the dirt. Excuse my language.
Dude, that's badass. That is badass, bro. Guys, as far as we can see, they are coming off the road. And yeah, we're trying to direct traffic. Caleb and I have been doing things all morning. I've been parking cars all morning. Caleb's been trying to direct everything all morning. We haven't, this is the first time I turned on the camera. Basically, this is 2 minutes into the video. And I will show you guys a brief run of the cars. Caleb's gonna be showing me some drone footage.
We do have drone footage.
So I will show you.
Video.
We are hundreds and hundreds of cars sitting here, guys. I mean, this is no small track.
Look at the spectator side.
Yeah. The parking goes past the drag strip, so there's an 1/8 mile run. Of course, the 1/8 mile starts up there and runs, and it's packed, guys.
Fill it.
And we've got cars coming in as far as we can see. What's going on, man? Philip.
Yeah.
Monte, what do you think, man?
Epic, bro. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today you are witnessing a hostile takeover. That's right, Street Slayers has stolen Cam's camera.
All right, guys, what's the channel again?
Tune TV.
I'm just messing with you. This is Tune TV, guys. Had to mess with them a little bit. Tune TV. Look, guys. I'm working with. I can't show you what I'm working with. I'm working with a GoPro right now. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This guy. You got to go check this guy out. Tune TV up on YouTube. Look at all them getting them perfect shots. I like that. I need one myself.
Unpaid camera.
Bill Roy.
Dude, I want to change shirts in a few minutes.
Dude, who you telling?
That's I brought 2 shirts, man. I think Phil's always changing his tires here for some reason.
Always changing the tire. Well, you run some slicks.
I would have had them last night changed.
We're not gonna talk about that.
Okay, guys, so that's the problem last night. Look at him.
What's going on, man? What's going on? What you up to, big guy?
Doing good, man. I brought my wife into this time.
Nice to meet you, I'm Ken.
Jessica.
Nice to meet you.
Speed Addict 7 years old. He's the ocean.
I can't get his shirt up there.
Yeah. There you go.
Life is too short to stay stock.
There it is.
I love that shirt.
She made it.
I love that shirt.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I have been extremely busy all day. As you can see, it is packed out here. A lot of people have been running down the track, and I've been waiting to run. Me and Pony are about to get a race on Pony. You ready? Ready as you're gonna be? I heard. Guys, it is hot out here.
Sleep on the tree.
It is.
I might pass out.
It is hot out here. We're gonna see how it does. No record pass, no record setting passes today. It's too damn hot. The DA is like 3,300.
Last time I checked, yeah, it was well over 3,300.
Yes, over 3,300 DA. No, but we're both in the same air, so it really doesn't matter. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Hey, turn on the fans, bro.
Somebody needs to.
So we went 769 at 93 mile an hour. Come on, 3,400 DA.
Damn,
and
son.
we ran a 769 at 93 with a 17660. Pony.
Here, let me have him out.
Hold him up now. Hold him up. Pony, you actually got me on the tree. You got me. And when you took off, I was scared. I slept a little bit on the tree, but when you took off, I was scared because we were right beside each other. But then it was all she wrote. Guys, the excuses start pouring in. But no, it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, the shifts are money.
You should hear his.
I know, they're like money.
So y'all, Pony put a sticker on the back of his car since he lost.
No, leave it on.
He gets taken
Leave it
off.
on. No, leave it on. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys something. No, leave it on. Leave it on. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys something. Pony, when I wasn't around, gave me a gift on my car. Pony 1992. But however, I told Pony, no, you can leave it on. You can leave it on. You can leave it on. But I told Pony every time that sticker gets shown in my videos, it's $5. You got a Monopoly game? Hey, I take Monopoly money. You know why? Because I'll put it in my back pocket, and when I'm playing Monopoly with them, I got little secrets. You know, I'll pull it out. I know, I'm messing with you.
You gotta admit one thing.
Guys, we had a blast running.
Where's your daddy? He answered daddy.
I asked him if he wanted to run again. We're gonna see how he feels a little bit. It's a little hot out here, guys, but it's a lot of hot. Like I said, 3,400 DA. I was amazingly surprised that the car still went at 7.6. That was crazy. That was insane. I'm happy. Like, it's hot out here. It's miserable out here. All right. So, but however, he's gonna go Whipple. I'm gonna go turbo, and then it's gonna be battle of boost all over again. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun.
That happened.
That's right. He did a lot of smack talking leading it up to this. I kind of stayed low key just a little, but it is what it is.
You ain't talking smack, you ain't racing.
That's right. That's right. You guys, look at all these people. Y'all hot?
A little bit, yes.
Little hot?
Absolutely.
Little heat?
Yes.
I know where y'all from. Y'all used to cool air.
Yes, we are. You know what? I don't care. I'll suck it up. It's better than freeze your butt off back home.
That's right. That's right.
It's better than freezing.
I agree with that.
Hey, I got you guys' race on video. I got to get to you.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
But guys, if you're not watching Pony 1992, go check him out. This is his
Show 'em the shifter.
T56 Magnum. Look at the shifter, guys. Look at the shifter.
Has a shifter. You got to move.
You got the shifter. You got the shifter. So, if you're not familiar with it, T56 Magnum, long tubes, BMR suspension, BMR drag springs. He's got some bias-ply ET Street R's on the back, got the skinnies on the front. The car is very well set up. However, as you know, with the T56 Magnum, it's geared a little higher. The MT82 is geared a little lower. However, he's going with a Whipple. He wanted something that he could depend on down the road and run it hard, so he went with the T56 Magnum. But go check out his channel and see all the content with this, and stay tuned because he's about to put a Whipple on this, and then it's going to be very, very quick. Very quick. And then we got to get the turbos on that before we can even play with him. The turbos should be coming very soon. I was told that they shipped, but I got to wait for the rest of the kit to ship. But you guys see future videos, and I'll keep you updated with all that. All right, guys, I've got to give Pony a huge shout out. You see the front runners on this car? Pony sent these to me, donating to the cause for the channel. I bought the front tires going it. He had the wheels. They're 17x5, and since I'm a base, I can actually use these. So huge shout out to Pony 1992, and the gap probably wouldn't have been as bad if I wouldn't have had these, but huge shout out to him for hooking me up with these front race stars, guys. And it completes the look of the car, and man, I just love it. I just told them, you kindness of your heart hooked me up with those race stars.
Oh.
And I said the gap probably wouldn't have been nearly as bad if you wouldn't have hooked me up.
There's the other 50.
You sure?
Yeah.
And guys, we had money on the race and money on the gap, and that it was for charity. So the money for it was going to 22 Kills to help out our veterans, and you know, that allow us to do these great things that we do today. So anyway, guys, we got Boosted 931, we got Pony 1992, we got Stain Giant, we got T Hessler, we got Car Mob, we got Xander, we got Cody, we got, I keep forgetting everybody, guys, but you, as you see it, everybody is out here and we are having an absolute blast.
I gotta give it a time. I'm gonna say I'm sorry to Street Slayers. Y'all didn't pay attention over there. We lined up. Pit bike versus a truck, and I put a gap on his ass.
Paxton, if you own the lives or anything else, you see him always commenting. But this is his beautiful car. You've seen this on my channel quite a few times in Subscriber Ride. Beautiful, beautiful car. Beautiful car. But hey, Pam, show them what I got from him. Look at that. Budweiser blimp. I know I'm not sponsored by Budweiser, but however, it's going up in the house. So appreciate that, man. Thanks a lot. Tony.
Oh, wait a minute. Get rid of the poster. And you get the blip.
$500.
500?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll race for it.
You don't want none of that.
Did you see my fast time?
Hey, you did pretty good though. First time
I
down
got
the drag strip.
third speed, and I actually got an 8 second
890. 890.
for my third time.
Third time ever down a drag strip in a manual car.
Yeah.
I give you props, man.
Thank you.
What's going on, big guy?
That's my brother.
Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. Go check him out. Go check him out.
Take my brother out. Speed at 740.
There you go. Guys, we've been having a blast out here. Everybody out here is having a blast out here. Sizemore over there. Where's that car, Sizemore?
At the shop.
Oh, I can't wait, buddy.
I seriously thought you were on it.
Wait till you see just a little teaser. There's a reason he's wearing that shirt. That's all I'm gonna say. Street Slayers, my man. Guys, if you want to see Xander's passes, you're gonna have to go watch Xander's channel, of course. But what did you end up running?
Well, the best, given 3400 DA, we had to turn it up a little bit to get it. We finally, Mustang 65, 117.
There you go. 117?
117 mile an hour, yeah.
That's some mile per hour, buddy.
The 60 foot is killing me. So just airdrops the footage, sitting there watching it.
Yeah.
Tires are just spinning.
Yeah. Well, what's happening is a lot of the street cars are running right now. Trucks are running. It's pulling up the rubber.
Yeah.
Pulling up the rubber. I'm hoping for tonight's race, they're going to be able to spray the track. When that track is on kill, it is sticky all the way down.
I like the track. It's very flat. The car is very settled. I didn't feel out of control at any point.
Yep.
It just moved.
Yeah.
It's
If
just
it wasn't
spinning,
for
but
the
it's
start,
spinning straight.
yeah, the starting line, it was just a prep.
Yeah.
When you have a lot of street tires running, you run into this problem.
Yeah.
But I think everybody got plenty of passes.
Yeah.
I got one pass, but I was so busy talking to people and doing everything all day today.
Well, that's like me. I didn't really even film anything.
Yeah.
I just was having a good time. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
that's it right
Just
there.
enjoying it. So, yeah, guys, it's thank you, Ken, for bringing me out here.
No problem.
And getting to hang out with everybody is a rare treat.
Do it again next year.
100%.
Well, and we'll do it again probably
do that
this year.
before this.
Oh yeah, well you're local, but
Yeah,
we can get together anytime.
Yeah. So.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. It was a great event. I want to thank everybody that came out and hung out with us. And guys, if you didn't come next year. We're gonna have a even bigger event next year. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.